So as promised, we had a dump of snow last night, so this is Jim using the snowplough. You can see how much ground he covers, and you can see how it twists around. And then he'll push all that down there. There, you see those wings come in? He was showing off then. There, you can see the tilt on it now. That's good. So you can clear backwards as well. Nice. Saves me a job, I tell you. Isn't that clever, eh? And then what he'll do is he'll push it all down into here. I might have to move my garbage bins out the way. Let's see how he does this here. See how handy it is when it turns? Just doesn't want to go right over the very edge. The spoiler's day. So I think what I'll do is I'll go and move my bins and we'll come back. So you can get right up to my container doors without hitting them. This is why we have to move everything out of the way. You know, you can't have anything like a Land Rover axle buried in the snow, otherwise it ends up there. There, you see the height we can get to? Look at that. A lot better than a blade. If you're wondering, that's why we've got that cone there, so it doesn't sort of hit the hole or go in the ditch, because there is a big deep ditch there. Now he's going to clear off my my door in the garage. Pull it back. You see those wings coming, really handy how it scoops up snow. I think it's done it before. And now you can see the ballast weight on the back that we painted. Didn't really need to do that bit, but that as well do. So you can see it gets all sorts of different angles, you know. I'm just going to go out because he's going to come down this side now. I used to have a snowplough blade on my Land Rover many years ago, an old Series 2A, but there was no way that I could do this, you know. You know, watch him lift all that snow up there. that gets it out of the way. Eventually all that snowplough, if we have a lot of snow this year, it'll be almost to the front of that container, almost to that black barrel that's there in that corner. So there we go. Now the last bit he'll do is this bit here. So we'll go back down the other end. There we go. It's just a pity about those barrels in the way, but it doesn't really matter. He'll pull that wing in. Probably not. Oh, there you go. See? It certainly beats shoveling, that's for sure. And then probably go all the way down and push all that lot back up there. And that's it, job done. See, all nice and clear. Let's have a look at this last bit. There we is it? Now there's a ditch just across there. We're not allowed to put snow in it because it's a brook owned by the government, so we're not allowed to do that. But it doesn't matter about this side for some strange reason, I don't know why. That looks like that's it. All done. And you notice there's not much paint come off, only off that black aluminium piece at the bottom. So that's not bad at all. Now you've done quite a few passes on here. I'd better get out of here. Oh, look at that. See, gets it all out the garage door. Look at that. Oh. Excellent.